The DNShorix remote battery disconnect switch is a compact side-mounted unit that fits into tight engine bays where traditional cutoff switches are difficult to install. Its upgraded magnetic mechanism draws extremely little standby current, so it effectively stops parasitic drain during long-term parking without noticeably loading the battery. The built-in smart voltage function can automatically isolate the battery when voltage drops too low, which helps prevent accidental deep discharge from forgotten lights or accessories. In addition to remote operation, there is a straightforward manual control option that lets you safely cut power when working on the vehicle or dealing with an electrical emergency. With a continuous rating suitable for typical 12-volt automotive systems, it works well on cars, trucks, and recreational vehicles that sit for extended periods. Overall, this switch delivers a practical blend of theft deterrence, battery protection, and installation flexibility that makes it a strong upgrade over older style disconnects.